The rise of digital currencies is the biggest innovation since the advent of the Internet, and the impact of unprecedented blockchain technology begins at the financial level and is also creating a new Internet. Digital currency provides a model in which money can be sent anywhere around the world. In a low-trust but absolutely secure manner, all transactions can be completed more quickly, easily, and securely, without the need for conventional models of economic, political, and social systems run by large centralized institutions, but only through a globally distributed network of millions of peer-to-peer points. The digitization of currencies has transformed the old financial system across countries and industries around the world, further driving future economic growth and making global economic operations more valuable. Capital Global BCG is the world's top super quantum trading system investment company, jointly created by the UK's top quantitative team and Singapore's top blockchain experts. Founded in England and Wales in 2014, BCG is committed to the field of foreign exchange trading and cryptocurrency trading. With the BCG fully automatic quantitative trading system, BCG has achieved hundreds of millions of dollars in daily trading volume in the currency market, providing traders with more opportunities and advantages than any other market. In 2020, Capital Global BCG officially placed the focus of its operations on the cryptocurrency market. BCG's automated quantitative trading system uses AI-powered investment technology to identify small profit opportunities between change in various financial indicators through historical data and conduct fast, safe, and large-scale automated transactions. BCG's AI-powered quantitative trading system makes cryptocurrency investing easier so that even novices can become experts in investing across different markets. Join BCG now and enjoy the ultimate trading experience and start your journey to zero failure investing.